Have you ever seen anything like this? Hi, I'm Carson with Bud Smell Motor Cars, and this is what $213,000 for Mercedes-Benz gets you. So this is the 2025 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600. What's powering this GLS 600 is going to be the same 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that you're going to see in a lot of our AMG cars. It's not going to have your traditional AMG growl. It's going to be a lot more tame, but still give you all the power of that motor. This vehicle is finished in an obsidian black on the bottom with a rubellite red metallic on the top, so it does have a two-tone paint job. Going along with that, you do have your 23-inch Mercedes Maybach multi-spoke wheels, as well as your Mercedes Maybach branded running boards. Going along with the luxury feel and look of this vehicle, as you can look around the back side of the emblems, they're actually a little bit more different and they're a little bit more, say, unique than what your traditional Mercedes-Benz badges would be. So as we open up the back door on this GLS 600, the interior color is a mahogany brown with a macchiato beige exclusive Nappa leather. So everything you touch and feel in here is going to be super plush and super nice. They have an extension so that you can recline as well. So you get a whole, basically, lazy boy in the rear of the vehicle. So whenever you're back here and if you want to take a nap, you have full capability to close all of the shades inside the vehicle. So you can close the sunroof just by hitting one button, as well as both rear shades in the back here to give you extra privacy. We have screens all over this back here, as well as a little touch tablet that'll actually pop out of here in the center. This tablet, as well as the screens in front of me, will control absolutely everything inside of this vehicle, whether it's the radio, the navigation, turning on your massage seats, what have you. You can do everything from the rear of this vehicle. If you want to kick back and relax a little bit, put your champagne flutes here, put the champagne back in the back here. It'll always stay cool inside of the fridge. Open up this little center compartment here. You have a little tray table that'll pop out and fold out. Put your computer, put food, what have you on here, and that way you always have a little table in the back of the car. And you can see in the back, the ambient light runs all the way around the seats, around the door cards, essentially wraps around the whole interior, even up on the sunroof. As you can see, going along the door sill, you have your Maybach branded illuminated door sill. As you can see, the whole dash is wrapped in real leather. This is mahogany brown leather. So it's a little bit darker than your traditional, but it's really pretty on this rubellite red with the black. For our little center armrest to use the touchpad, there's also your little Maybach logo as well. And on the steering wheel, it gives you the Maybach logo right along the bottom. As well as you have your Mercedes Maybach branded gas and brake pedal. So this particular GLS 600, just like all GLS 600 Maybachs, are gonna have what's called recovery mode. Most of you see it used on the road as people bouncing up and down, but it's truly meant to get you out of sand. If you could see this vehicle sitting in your garage here in the near future, come see us off of Route 30 in Greensburg or online at smellmercedesbenz.com.